With great power comes great responsibility. Hiya, I'm Abiola Olomola. This is video 3 in the euaiact series. If you missed my earlier 2 videos, I recommend you check my page. You're building a high-risk AI system. This video is for you, and here is your compliance playbook. Before go live, your system needs a conformity assessment, or what we call CE-style, either performed by an internal body or a notified external body. Here are the core requirements to obtain a CE. First, robust risk management. Oh yes, your organization needs to establish and maintain a continuous risk management process throughout the AI life cycle. I'm talking about the process of identifying the AI solution you need to use, process of evaluating the solution, mitigating risks to health, safety, and fundamental rights. 2. Data governance. You need to use a high-quality representative training, validation, and test data sets. Also implement measures to detect and mitigate biases. 3. Technical documentation. This is equally very important. Your organization must provide detailed documentation covering the design, the development, the testing, deployment processes, including your risk management and data governance measures. All need to be documented. 4. Transparency. You need to inform your users that they are interacting with an AI system and provide an understandable information about its capabilities and limitations. These are all the oversight and safety requirements you need to put in place. 1. Embedding human oversight. Putting in the stop buttons for all AI decisions by ensuring appropriate human oversight during the operation, allowing intervention or suspension to prevent or minimize risk. Secondly, you should design your AI system to be resilient to errors, secure against cyber attack, or maintain a consistent performance over time. Here are your monitoring obligations. Make sure all incidents are logged and serious issues are reported to authorities within 30 days. Here is a teaser for you ahead of the next video. Who is enforcing all this? Come to think of it, and what are the penalties for non-conformance? Please like, share, and repost this video. Thank you for watching. Till then, lots of love from your GLC queen. Bye.